To get to the Infinite Campus Parent Portal, the easiest way is to go to your school website and then scroll down to the Infinite Campus Portal login. Click on that. You should have what's called a GUID. It should have come in the mail if you're an incoming freshman parent around November. If you do not have a GUID and you want to create an Infinite Campus account, please contact your school's Student Services account. If you have a GUID, then go to New User and click. You will then enter your GUID activation key. You will then need to choose a unique username and then a password. For your passwords, it's best to use something that is strong but easy to remember. You can click on the I for some password guidelines, but something, for example, like Dancing Cat 712 is going to be easier for you to remember and have a strong password strength. Then you hit Submit. After that, it says you've successfully created your campus account and you go back to login. At this point, you put in your username and your password and hit Login. It will then ask you to submit an email address. So if you forget your password, it can email you a link to set up a new password. If you do not have an email address, you can always make one by going to gmail.com. After you enter your email addresses and then that Infinite Campus password you just created, again, hit Save. And then you are in the Infinite Campus Campus Parent Online Portal. If you need any help accessing your Infinite Campus Campus Parent Portal online, please see your school's technology department.